Alright, video walkthrough of a fantastic Alston one bed here on Brainerd Road. That's the kitchen, cabinets up top. It's a window, gas stove, fridge. Loop into the foyer. We got a closet right there. And bathroom. Pretty standard. Clawfoot tub for those that are partial to the rustic look. Alright, back into the foyer. What's interesting and nice is that extra room at the end of the living room, which you see right here. A couple of windows. Extra closet right here. And the bedroom, good sized bedroom. Really good sized windows right there. Another closet over here. Really good sized closet. And that's that room that we saw at the end of the living room, which is just like a little small alcove, study room. Really nice, great sunlight. And then the living room again. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. Have a good one.